Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm about to show you a unique website where you can discover new games, you can play and collect units and then redeem rewards. And this website has paid over 16 million US dollars so far. Just imagine the amount of money which people are able to make using this unique application. So you are going to learn about all of this in this video. Now before we get started, I want to tell you something. This method doesn't need you to have any content creation skills. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not about you selling some products online. This is not about you creating articles or taking others people's content and publishing it online. This is a completely different way where you will be playing games and then rewards will come to your bank account, and these rewards may be in form of PayPal money, in your Google Play credits, on your cards of Visa or your gift cards of Amazon. There are many options for you to earn money using this amazing application. Now I am about to reveal everything about this application in this video. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now I want you to watch this video completely, because at the end of this video I'm also going to share you a special bonus tip with you from which you can earn hundreds and hundreds of dollars online, just like my friends are doing. So you are going to learn everything in this video. So now before wasting any other time, let's get started. So as you can see that this website has this loyalty program and it's for mobile gamers. You can get this application on Google Play Store as well. I am not showing you the URL and the logo of the company yet because I want you to watch this video completely. So as you can see that it's the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers, and you can get it on Google Play Store on one click. As soon as you click on Google Play Store, you'll be able to download this application in your own Android smartphone. Now using this application you will be able to discover new games. You'll be able to discover games which you love and you'll earn rewards while playing. And you don't even have to do it yourself. You can give it to your younger brothers or sisters in your home to do that. You can ask them to do these games for you. They'll complete the games and you will be making money out of it. You can see that it has discover new games thing. You can just find as many as new games in all type of categories. You can play these games. The more you play, the more money you earn, and then you can redeem these rewards into your Amazon gift cards or your PayPal accounts or your Google Play Store credits. You can see that they have amazing games related to castle building, farm maintenance, strategy games, racing games, card games, casino and slot games, shooting and gun games. So all kinds of games are available, and they have paid over 16,119,000 US dollars so far to their existing customer base. This is an insane amount of money, and this doesn't need any investment at all. These all games are available for you to download, and then you'll be earning rewards for completing them. Now you can even get bonuses when you enter various competitions and various lucky draws which happens on this application. You can see that they give you various achievements, kind of badges like premiums and star ratings and all of that, which will increase your earnings. You can see that they are multiplayer games. That means you can even play them with your friends and chat with them. You can even play with unknown people and chat with them and then make new friends in your gaming journey. So this way you can earn a lot of money. Along with that, you'll get some social skills of making friends, talking to them, chatting with them, and then you'll also increase your teamwork while you are playing this game. So this is an all-in-one app which not only develops your personality but will also reward you with the money which you have earned so far. Now you can see that right now they are not available on iOS. So what you need to do is, if you are someone who just have an Apple phone, then I'm sorry for you. But what you can do is you can join this waitlist. You can enter your email, you can select your country, and then you can select your platform iOS, and then you can click on join the waitlist. For Android users, it's already available and it's an amazing application. You can see that people have already given it a lot of positive rating, like Leo, Melanin, Sarah, all have given us 5-star ratings and has given beautiful reviews. You can see that the reviews just don't end. Now you can see that they have overview, how it works, publishing, about us, career. So it's a legit company. Don't think of it as a scammy company. You can even click on about us to read more about them. They are building a company of extraordinary people who build extraordinary products. So they have a great vision for their company, and like they have added all of their team members and everything related to them on their about page. Now what you need to do is you need to come to this website. Now let me reveal the name. The website's name is Mistplay. You can go to mistplay.com. You can even click on get it on Google Play Store, and when you click on that, you'll be taken to the Google Play Store link of this application. You can see that they have this amazing application. It has over 200,000 plus reviews of 4-star ratings. That means it's 100% verified and genuine, and people are playing a lot of games. You can even click on these screenshots to see what kind of games people are playing. You can see that they look so beautiful games. People are able to earn these units and then convert them into cash. Like as you can see that, so someone who has made 4,500 units, they can get $15 in their Visa credit card. If someone is using Google Play credits, then for 3,000 of these they'll get 10 USD. So you can see that they are easily able to make money online, and you can do that as well. Now they also have contests. So when you play more contests, you get grand prizes. Just imagine 7,500 coins in the grand prize. How much money that is. Just imagine the amount of money you'll be able to make using this powerful application. You can in fact talk with friends, make new friends. It's a completely social app and is good for all kinds of audience. Like even if you are someone who has low age, even if you are someone who has a higher age, this is still for you. Now you can download it from Google Play Store, and you can also read more about this application on their own website, which is mistplay.com. Now I want you to do one thing, that whenever you play any game or decide to play any game, play on this app only. Like don't go for apps which don't pay you cash, because if you just want to have some entertaining time, then why not play it on Mistplay instead of any other application. So even if you are just spending your time playing games, you'll still be making money, and that's really good part about this application. This will be very soon available on iOS devices, as they already promised on their website that they'll be soon covering iOS devices as well. So I think the wait is worth the amount you're going to earn. So definitely you should wait for it if you're not available on Android so far. And I would also recommend you to switch to an Android device if you are looking forward to play such games and earn money. If you have any problems with the language, you can also select other languages which are available here. This works from everywhere in the world. You can be from any country and still make rewards using this application. So I hope you have learned the basics and how to use this application, how the money works, how the whole process works. So go to this app right now and start making money online. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.